Hey kids! Today, we're going on an amazing adventure to learn all about one of the most incredible animals on Earth. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's the elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals in the world. They are known for their huge size, long trunks, and big floppy ears. Let's dive in and discover more about these gentle giants. First, let's talk about their trunk. An elephant's trunk is like a long nose and an upper lip combined. It has more than 40,000 muscles in it, which makes it super strong and flexible. Elephants use their trunks to smell, breathe, trumpet, drink, and even pick up food. Look at this. Elephants can suck up to 10 liters of water into their trunks and then pour it into their mouths. How cool is that? Next, let's check out their ears. An elephant's ears help them stay cool in the hot weather. By flapping their ears, they can fan themselves and lower their body temperature. And did you know? Elephants have amazing hearing too. They can hear sounds that are too low for humans to hear. Elephants are herbivores, which means they only eat plants. They love to munch on grass, leaves, fruits, and bark. An adult elephant can eat up to 300 pounds of food in a single day. That's like eating 1,200 hamburgers. Elephants are very social animals and love to live in groups called herds. A herd is usually led by the oldest female, called the matriarch. Elephants take care of each other, especially the little ones. Baby elephants, called calves, stay close to their mothers and drink milk for up to 2 years. And guess what? Elephants love to have fun. They enjoy playing in the water and splashing around to stay cool and clean. So, kids, that's all about elephants. These amazing animals are not only the largest land animals but also some of the most intelligent and caring creatures on Earth. Remember, it's important to protect elephants and their habitats so they can continue to thrive in the wild. Kids, that's all about elephants. These amazing animals are not only the largest land animals but also some of the most intelligent and caring creatures on Earth. Remember, it's important to protect elephants and their habitats so they can continue to thrive in the wild. Thanks for joining our adventure today. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting animal adventures. Bye for now.